Meet the red tiger of the koi world, the Tosai Hai Utsuri.
The Tosai Hai Utsuri is defined by a dramatic contrast of black and red.
Hai Utsuri translates to red reflection, like red leaves on a black pond. The Tosai, the Hai Utsuri is small, often under 20 centimeters.
Don't be fooled by the size. The Tosai Hai Utsuri holds immense potential.
In a pond of whitefish, the dark Tosai Hai Utsuri stands out instantly.
The black pattern, called sumi, wraps around the body like ink.
Choosing a Tosai Hai Utsuri is tricky because the black color is still developing.
At this age, the black on the Tosai Hai Utsuri might look gray or shadowy.
Over time, that gray will transform into deep, jet black lacquer.
The secret to selecting a champion is Motoguro.
Look for a black blotch at the base of the pectoral fin. If the fin is all red, it might not be a true Hai Utsuri. Motoguro stabilizes the pattern of the Tosai Hai Utsuri. On the head, look for menwear, a black lightning shape.
A Y-shaped or lightning black mark splits the red on the head.
The Tosai Hai Utsuri needs high-quality food to develop these colors.
The red color, or hai, should be deep and intense. Avoid pale orange. Look for a fire engine red on the Tosai Hai Utsuri.
Sunlight makes the red of the Tosai Hai Utsuri glow like lava.
The black bands should wrap from the back down to the belly.
A good wrapping pattern gives the Tosai Hai Utsuri a powerful look.
The body shape should be thick, not thin like a snake.
Avoid shimi, which are tiny, unwanted black speckles.
The red areas of the Tosai Hai Utsuri should be clean and clear. The Tosai Hai Utsuri is a bottom feeder by nature.
Hard water can actually help the black sumi develop. Check your water hardness. Sumi loves minerals.
The Tosai Hai Utsuri looks mysterious in the shadows.
Hai Utsuri has no white. If you see white, it is a Showa.
Active swimming indicates a healthy Tosai Hai Utsuri.
Buying a Tosai Hai Utsuri is a gamble on the future. The black pattern will expand and finish as the fish grows.
Look for sharp edges between the red and black.
Color food helps the red, but don't overdo it.
Too much color food can ruin the black sumi.
Clean water keeps the skin of the Tosai Hai Utsuri shiny.
Skin luster, or tui, makes the Tosai Hai Utsuri look like porcelain.
The Tosai Hi Utsuri is playful and curious.
This fish brings the energy of fire and the mystery of night.
Check the mouth. It should be clean and free of deformities.
A strong mouth indicates a good eater.
Provide hiding spots to reduce stress for the Tosai Hai Utsuri.
Look for a large head and thick tail tube.
A thick tail means the Tosai Hi Utsuri will grow huge.
Red and black next to red and white creates balance.
Tosai are more affordable than older, finished koi.
Always view the Tosai Hai Utsuri from above.
Ensure the belly is not red, which is a different variety.
The movement should be fluid and effortless. The Utsuri takes time to finish. Be patient.
The colors shift beautifully under different lights.
Rocks and gravel enhance the natural look.
Stress can cause the black sumi to fade temporarily.
Good water conditions will bring the black back.
Fruits like peas help digestion.
They feel safer in a group.
At Tosai age, sexing the fish is difficult.
Look for a broad shoulder area.
A high-quality Tosai Hai Utsuri shines like wet paint.
In Vietnam, this fish is often compared to flowing lava. The pattern resembles liquid fire on dark rock. Agility is a sign of a strong structural frame.
Never skip quarantine for a new Tosai Hai Utsuri.
Ensure all fins are intact and clear of rot.
Surface feeding allows you to inspect the pattern daily.
Overfeeding can ruin the body shape of the Tosai Hai Utsuri.
Green water is actually good for skin quality.
Monthly bowl inspections help track growth.
Take photos to see the amazing transformation. A healthy Tosai Hai Utsuri is a joy to own.
A high-quality Tosai Hai Utsuris is an investment.
Green plants make the red hai look even redder.
Even tigers need to rest.
Cloudy eyes are a sign of poor water.
Observe the swimming posture. It should be balanced.
Clay adds minerals that darken the black sumi. Watch the black become ink-like.
Aeration is key for active fish.
Warmer water boosts appetite and growth.
In winter, let the Tosai Hai Utsuri rest.
Spring is the time for growth spurts.
Tosai are prone to parasites. Check regularly.
Vibrancy is the sign of a happy fish. Remove sharp rocks that could scratch the Tosai Hai Utsuri. The glide of a koi is peaceful therapy.
The Hai Utsuri adds drama to any pond.
Every turn reveals a new angle of the pattern.
Koi keeping is a journey of patience and beauty.
A hungry fish is a healthy fish.
Black, red, bold, the Hi Utsuri. Start with a Tosai and watch it become a legend.
Add the red tiger to your collection today.
Remember, Motoguro and Menware.
Create a masterpiece with the Hai Utsuri.
If you love koi, like, share and subscribe.
Hit the bell for more koi selection guides. Do you like the red tiger style? Comment below.
This is the Aquatic Line.
Happy koi keeping.